this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export customer emails from Gumroad. First, open the Gumroad website in your browser and sign in to your account. After logging in, make sure you are using the account that sold the products you want customer emails from. Now go to the sales section from the left sidebar. Here you will see a complete list of your transactions and customers. If you want, you can filter the results before exporting. For example, you can filter by specific products, purchase dates, successful payments, or refunded transactions. Once you are ready, look for the Export button near the top right corner of the sales page. Click on it and choose the CSV export option. After that, the file will download to your computer. The exported file usually includes customer emails, customer names if collected, product names, purchase dates, and other transaction details. You can then upload this CSV file into email marketing tools like MailChimp or Kit, use it in spreadsheets, or import it into CRM software for customer management. Gumroad also tracks which products each customer purchased, making it easier to organize and segment your email list. And that's how to export customer emails from Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.